Welcome back, guys, and today we will be showing you our favorite ride called the Fireball and the Zipper. So here I just added extra details of Unikitty right there, and I made the arrows to Unikitty right there, and I made the right there. It's falling. And then those two Unikitties, and that's right. By starting this video, we would like to show you how the ride is. Let's see. Well, I even went on that ride. I even went on that ride last time. No ride. Let me start the ride. And that's the ride of the Fireball. Moving on to the Zipper ride. I even didn't do extra detail, but it's alright. Even though I just wanted this thing knex. Well, my Fireball is made of big pieces of knex. Well, the Zipper ride's made of knex. See, they just look like seats. Let me start the ride in a few seconds. Try to fix this. Here we go. Sorry guys, just fold. This is my favorite ride of the Zipper and the Fireball ride. See you guys later.